Want to buy an Apple Watch but don't know what to say?
Excuse me, I'm looking for an Apple Watch.
Of course. Which series are you interested in?
The latest one, please.
Right this way. This question makes you sound confident.
What colors do you have?
We have black, silver, and gold.
Can I try the black one?
Sure, here you go.
How much is this one?
It's $399.
Does it come with a charger?
Yes, everything is included.
I'll take the black one. Can I pay by card?
Of course, please follow me.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new watch. Follow for more real English.
Hi, David. I'm looking for a new phone.
Really? Which one do you want?
The iPhone 17.
Great choice.
I like the orange one.
It looks beautiful.
Do they have it in stock?
Yes, they do.
I'll take the orange iPhone 17.
Excellent choice. Congratulations.
Thank you. I'm so happy. Buying a laptop but don't know what to say? Excuse me, I'm looking for a laptop.
Of course, what will you use it for?
Mostly for work and studying.
I recommend this model.
How much memory does it have?
It has 16 gigabytes of RAM.
Is that enough for video editing?
Yes, it's perfect for that.
How much is this laptop?
It's $899.
Does it come with a warranty?
Yes, 1-year warranty included.
I'll take this one. Can I pay by card?
Sure, please follow me to the counter.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new laptop.
I need a new phone, but I don't know what to say.
Just start with a simple question.
Excuse me, can you help me?
That's perfect.
I'm looking for the latest iPhone.
Which color do you prefer?
I like the black one.
Good choice.
How much is this model?
It's $999.
Does it come with a charger?
Yes, it includes everything.
Can I pay with my credit card?
Of course, right this way.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Enjoy your new phone.
If you can't speak English for 60 seconds without stopping, you need this daily challenge.
Today's challenge is simple. What do we have to do?
Speak about your day for 1 minute.
Without stopping?
Yes, just keep talking.
What if I make mistakes?
Mistakes are allowed, just don't stop.
Okay, I'll try.
Start with, today I woke up and...
Today, I woke up and had breakfast.
Good, keep going.
Then I checked my phone.
Perfect. Do this every day.
Even for 1 minute?
1 minute every day builds fluency.
I'm starting today.
Follow for more real English. Improving your speaking doesn't need hours every day.
Then what does it need?
Small daily practice with real focus.
How small?
Just 10 minutes of speaking out loud. About anything?
Talk about your day or your plans.
That sounds simple.
That sounds simple.
Record yourself and listen back.
Why is that important?
You will hear your own mistakes.
And fix them faster.
Do this every single day without fail.
Even when I'm tired?
Especially when you're tired.
Consistency creates real progress.
Starting is easy. Continuing is the real challenge.
How do I stay consistent?
Make speaking a daily habit.
Like brushing my teeth?
Exactly. Same time every day.
Even for 5 minutes?
5 minutes of real speaking is powerful.
I can do that. I can do that.
Don't wait for motivation.
What should I do instead?
Just start the timer and speak.
Action creates motivation.
Speak today. Speak tomorrow. Never stop.
I'm building the habit now.
That's how fluency begins.
No more excuses.
Don't know what to say when shopping for clothes? This will help you.
Excuse me, do you have this?
This in medium?
Let me check for you.
Thank you. Yes, we have it. Can I try this on?
Of course. The fitting room is over there.
Great, thanks.
You're welcome.
How much is this shirt?
It's $29.
Okay, that's good.
Would you like anything else?
I'll take this one, please.
Sure. Cash or card?
Card, please.
No problem. Follow for more real English.
Hello, is this seat free?
Yes, of course.
Please sit down. Thank you.
You're welcome.
My name is Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm David.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you today?
I'm great, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing very well.
That's wonderful.
It's nice to talk with you.
Shopping for clothes in America? Here's exactly what you should say.
Excuse me, do you have this?
This in a medium?
Let me check for you.
Thanks.
Yeah, we do.
Here you go. Can I try this on real quick? Here's exactly what you should say.
Excuse me, fitting rooms are right over there.
Awesome, thanks.
No problem. Yeah, we do.
Here you go. How much is this?
It's $29.99.
Okay, cool.
You want me to hold it for you?
I'll take it.
Card or cash?
Card, please.
Sounds good. Follow for more real English.
Waiting for the perfect day is the biggest mistake.
What should I do then?
Start speaking English just today.
Even if I'm not ready?
You will never feel completely ready.
So I just start?
Yes, speak one sentence today.
Just one?
One sentence is better than zero.
What if I make mistakes?
Mistakes mean you are learning.
That actually helps.
Stop thinking and start speaking now.
I'm doing it today.
That's the only way to improve.
No more waiting.
Most English videos teach you nothing useful.
What do you mean?
They focus on grammar, not real speaking.
That's why I still can't talk.
You need real conversation videos.
How should I use them?
Listen, pause, and repeat out loud.
Every single sentence?
Yes. Speak as if you're in the conversation.
Even if I make mistakes?
Mistakes help you improve faster.
I never practiced like that.
Do this for 15 minutes every day.
That's all?
Consistency is more powerful than long study.
I'm starting today.
Pronunciation is wrong because of one big mistake.
What mistake?
You speak too fast. Slow down and open your mouth more.
Like this?
Yes, exaggerate the sounds.
It feels strange, but clearer.
Record your voice every day.
And listen back?
Exactly. Compare with native speakers.
That will show my weak points.
Practice difficult sounds for 5 minutes only.
Just 5 minutes?
Consistency beats long practice.
I'm starting today.
Hi, David. How was your day yesterday?
It was good, thanks. And yours?
It was fine. I studied English.
That's great.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I watch videos and practice speaking.
Me too. Do you like learning English?
Yes, I really enjoy it.
What's your favorite word in English?
I like the word beautiful.
Nice choice. Mine is happy.
That's a good one too.
Let's practice more tomorrow.
Sure. Same time?
Yes, same place.
Perfect. See you then.
Hi, David. Do you want to practice English today?
Yes, I'd love to. Where should we start?
Let's talk about our daily routines.
Okay, sounds good.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
And what do you do after that?
I have breakfast and go to work.
That's a good routine. Do you study English every day?
Yes, I practice for 30 minutes.
Great! We can practice together more often.
I'd really like that.
That's a good routine. Do you study English every day?
Yes, I practice for 30 minutes.
Great! We can practice together more often.
I'd really like that.
Hi, David. Is this seat free?
Yes, of course. Please sit down.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. What do you usually do in the morning?
I drink coffee and read a little.
That sounds nice. Do you come here every day?
Almost every day. It's quiet and peaceful.
I like it too.
Great. We can meet here again.